Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Space Creator 2K24v2, 0 or newer, permissions, and a 1 GB temp workspace. Now open the app and load a base template. This jumpstarts layout constraints so you avoid redoing grid math later. Once done, set canvas units and project scale because consistent units prevent misalignments during export. Make sure to back up any existing projects before import. Doing that saves hours if the template overwrites assets. Begin with a simple scene to verify rendering settings. You now build the scene by organizing layers and assets methodically, lock non-essential layers, group related parts, and rename items for quick access. Next, use 3D tools like snap-to-grid and depth maps to position elements precisely. This matters because small offsets compound during lighting and physics. Then apply an auto light preset to preview mood while keeping intensity adjustable. Once positioned, import models, OBJ or FBX, link textures, and bake ambient and normal maps to lock visual fidelity before final adjustments. You finish by running a low-resolution test render to confirm composition and timing. Once satisfied, increase samples or quality by factors of 4 to 8 for the final pass, because it reduces noise without changing layout. Export with the appropriate format and resolution, embedding textures when portability matters. If something breaks, consult the app log to isolate the issue, free at least 512 MB in temp storage, and reset the GPU cache. This resolves most renderer stalls. Finally, save a versioned copy with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.